Hey everyone, welcome back to the SEO lecture series. So in this video, we will see how you can register the domain name that you have selected from the previous step. So if you have watched the previous video, you must be ready with your domain name. So if you were to launch a website or an online blog, then you must have a domain name because it will be your website's online identity. Without it, no one can access the resource, access your blog that you have shared online. So this is a must whenever you want something to share with the world on the internet. So the first thing before registering a domain name is that we need to research that which registrar is offering the best price for the domain registration. So we have a tool for that. We will be using tldlist.com for researching out different prices offered by different registrars. So let's head over to tldlist.com and see if we have a domain name that we are interested in. So tldlist.com. So I have a domain name that I have decided by using the tools that we had discussed in the previous video. So it is a .com. Over here you can see that different extensions have different prices across different registrars, right? So if I were to select a .com domain, then the best price is being offered by spaceship.com. This is a domain registrar. And if I were to go for a .co domain name, then again Spaceship is offering the best price. There are other different registrars. There might be some offers that are going on from where we can register our domain name. So for now I am going with the .com domain name. So I'll be heading over to spaceship.com for registering my domain name. So before you register a domain name, just keep in mind that whenever you are selecting a registrar, you need to make sure that these are trusted registrars. So these are the list of some trusted domain registrars that I have used over the past, and these are really good. They have good support, they are very transparent and upfront with the pricing, and I don't think that you'll be experiencing any issues if you are choosing any one of these domain registrars for your project. So as you have seen in the tldlist.com website, the best .com price is being offered by Spaceship. So we'll be going with Spaceship for registering our domain name. We'll go with the live demo now. Let's open up spaceship.com. Okay, so okay, so let's enter the domain name here in the search box. I want to register a domain name related to NA10 so that I can list out different templates over there. So this is the domain name that I have in my mind, na10pi.com. So let's press enter. Now it will check whether the domain is available or not. So this is shown in green color, and here it is written that the domain is available. So we will proceed with the domain registration. Click add to basket. Now click on view basket. We don't need any add-ons as of now, so we will skip these. Then click on customize in cart so that you can apply the coupon code. From here you can find the coupon code, that is COM67 for the .com domain. So let's click on checkout. Before that, just make sure that whenever you are registering a domain name, you select the privacy option. It is called the Whois privacy. So basically, when you select the Whois privacy option, your personal details will be hidden. Over here you can see that your information will not be seen in the public Whois database. So if someone is using any tool to look up who owns this domain and what is the email address of the domain owner, they won't be able to see your personal details. So it will be a extra layer of protection so that people don't start spamming you. So let's proceed with the checkout. Click on the checkout button. Okay, so now you have to register a new account if you don't have one. So I'll start with the sign up process. Click on sign up. I'll just blur out these details. Click on the next button. Enter the password you want to choose for your account. As long password I've generated using lastpass.com. Just remember to keep these details somewhere safe. And then finally click on the sign up button. Now enter the authentication code, the 6-character code that you have received on your email. Click on verify. Click on this option, add promo code, so that you can enter the promo code. This is the promo code that we have got from here, COM67. Click on apply option. As you can see that we have applied the COM67 coupon code, and now the final price is only 520 rupees from 860 rupees. So now you have to choose a payment method from which you can pay this amount. Before that, edit the domain contacts. So add address based on your address. Once you have added the details about the registrant and your address, click on the apply option. Now all you need to do is pay the final registration. Be done. One thing to keep in mind is that you are actually paying for 1 year of registration for the domain name that you have selected. You are taking that domain name on lease from the registrars. You're not actually buying it. So after 1 year, if you want to renew the domain name, you'll have to pay the renewal fee once again. Let's add the payment method that we want to use for paying out for the domain name. If you have a credit card, you can use that. So once you have added your payment method, click on the pay now option. So we have registered the domain name. I click on the unbox option, and I don't want to skip intro. Skip this start. Click on all products here. Find. Okay, this is the option that I was looking for, domain manager. Click on this. So here you can manage all the domains that you have registered. And if I were to change any related to this domain, I'll click on this, the options here. Just make sure that you have selected the privacy option. Most of the registrar, they have this option enabled by default. And if you are using spaceship.com for registering your domain, it will be automatically added to your cart. You don't have to pay any extra fee for it. So we have successfully registered our domain name on spaceship.com. So the whole process was, first we have to search for our domain, then we have to add it to our cart. Remember to add the privacy protection so that your records are not public. And then finally, if you are satisfied everything else, just complete the checkout process. So this is the whole process. One thing that you have to keep in mind is that you can start with for 1 year only. You don't have to select a longer term just because some registrar is offering a good deal. Okay, so if your business takes off, and or if you are just doing it for hobby, then go with 1 year. And the second thing is that always add privacy, that to save yourself from spam and unwanted contact. Do not add any additional add-ons that are not required, and always double check your domain's spelling, how you have spelled that domain name, because a slight typo will cost you extra money. So in the domain dashboard, you'll find the option to change and manage your DNS records, how to create custom email. So we don't need this as of now, and how you can renew or transfer your domain name and other security settings. So remember to secure your account by using a strong password. Enable two-factor authentication wherever possible, and always set up a renewal reminder so that you are always reminded when the renewal is due. Okay, so that you don't lose your domain name. So now you have a domain name ready with you that you can use with the project. So I have not covered any other domain registrar, but the domain registration is almost same on all the domain registrars. So if you are using your GitHub student account, you can use that, and from there you can go on Namecheap or name.com for registering your domain name. So it will be the whole process once again, and you can easily do it. That's it. Thank you everyone.